Welcome to Ratchet and Clank Cracking Time Part 5. Let's just start this game. Destroy all the warships. Okay. Whoa, cool. I got two of these. Well, I'm buying this one first.
The Sonic Eruptor, this genetically mutated xenogo, is the perfect weapon for crowd control of a destructive nature. Firing the weapon at a group of enemies will unleash a deadly and destructive mating call. For added kick, try squeezing the trigger when the xenogo's lungs are full. The Sonic Eruptor, available only at Grummet.
HQ! And I'll buy Mr. Zircon's too.
Mr. Zircon is the perfect companion for spontaneous treks through hostile alien environments. Uh-oh, looks like these guys are hungry for Lombax soup. Well, not to worry. Just deploy your Mr. Zircon, and you'll target any hostile entity.
Mr. Zircon is looking to kill you.
Hey, deal. Mr. Zircon, available only at Grummet.
HQ!
Alright.
Sorry for that, I'm a little cold. Destroy every single bit of this. Going this way.
Quark, give me a status update. Who is Alistair Azaroth?
I don't know, some rebel.
Alright, well find out what you can. If he's an enemy of Nefarious, he might be a friend to us.
Maybe, but maybe not to us. Oh man, this... I'm through. Here you get a lot of balls up here now.
Secondary hyperspace fueling module released.
Thanks for sharing that with us.
module released.
These guys.
We were just kidding.
Uh-oh. I died. I fucking died.
Tertiary hyperspace fueling module.
Yeah, you already said that.
Power failure detected in auxiliary server room.
Attention, troopers! I don't want to put me, but someone take over last night's episode of Lancet Challenge. Trooper responsible, eject yourself out the airlock immediately.
Animals. No. Oh. Okay, now it's safe to go through.
What floor, please?
Detention wing?
Oh.
Wow. Can't believe that worked.
What was that?
Nothing.
Insolent creature! Give me the location.
We don't know. That wasn't Azimuth. It was... It's the Green One's sidekick. We're saved.
I knew you'd come for us.
It's good to see you, Ratchet. Now we need to find a way out. What's your name? The child. Hurl yourself into this laser wall as hard as you can.
Hey, mister, what about the Versafuse? If you pull it out, it might lower the field.
Yeah, maybe.
We did it! Everyone follow me. I'll get us out of here.
Silence.
Here.
Stay quiet. We don't want to set off the alarm.
There's a code red to the detention room. Code red to the detention room.
Oh, thanks for the level up everywhere.
The running system. Yes, well done. I almost had to hurl you all to safety myself.
Why? That means you're not even trying. Come on, Thor, you can do better than that. There you go.
The prisoners must not escape.
I'm not even. Oh, really?
I'll open the doors. You get the Fongoids to safety.
Okay, anybody need to use the bathroom? I don't want to leave the loading bay and then hear one of you has to go.
The onboard computer says there's a manual switch somewhere in that room.
Yeah, it's
Check the
here.
nav ramp.
Thanks for watching Ratchet and Clank Crack in Time Part 5.